Today is not an ordinary day. Rather, it is a day that commemorates the ethos of unity, discipline, and hard work. It is a day that celebrates the spirit of teamwork and cooperation. And what better way to understand and appreciate this spirit than to commence our day with an electrifying march past? So let's embrace the spectacle with a grand cheer. And now the moment we all have been waiting for. I request our respected chief guest to accept our welcome wavering from the kids. On the marching track, first on the mark we have the DWPS mascots led by our juniors, Danya of grade 5. The overall academic performer for the past 2 years, completed till Rashtra Bhasha in Prachar Sabha exams. Followed by Nidarshan Murugan, an energetic footballer. Karthik of grade 4 is a national level medal holder in Silambam. Followed by Yalini of grade 5, a good sports person, has numerous achievements in Silambam, yoga and athletics, runner in the MSSC football match. And Harshata of grade 5, a well-versed in left-hand drawing, holding the theme of the year, Tiara. Followed by the DWPS mascots as the ambassadors of the DWPS Sports Day. Mascots from grade 3 are here to embody the spirit of the various sports: football, basketball, skating, hockey, boxing, badminton and table tennis. Followed by our little dynamites of Nursery Kiwi, led by the budding athletes of the class, Adiban Karthik and Tulir Nila, guarded by the mentors Miss Jeevana and Miss Lindsay. Next on the lane, we have the little champions of Nursery Lichi, led by the budding sports stars of the class, Madhu Yarini and Kodijit, accompanied by the mentors Miss Jabarika, Miss Ashrin and Miss Mahalakshmi. Look at the impeccable discipline and harmony. It's indeed a sight to behold as a present of rhythm, of unity on the marching track. Now marching towards the dais with poise and power, let us welcome the preparatory students. Firstly, we have the masterminds of preparatory Kiwi with the little champions Nimilan, young footballer and the batting athlete Devashri, guided by the mentors Miss Manonmani and Miss Sanjana. Followed by the knowledge trailblazers of preparatory Lichi, presided over by the sports champions of the class Mani Joina, vibrant athlete, and Kadirvela, ambitious sports achiever, accompanied by the mentors Miss Vidya Lakshmi and Miss Ramya. It truly gives a sense of unity, discipline and determination. Here we have on track the intellectual impactors of preparatory Cherry, led by the sports champs Sai Priyan, born athlete, and Sanjana, dedicated sports champ. Effectively supervised by the mentors Ms. Anita Jan, Ms. Amuda and Ms. Sivagami. Next we have on track our grade 1 rock stars, the cognitive comrades of grade 1 Kiwi, led by the sports stars of the class Tejas Shrika and Siddharth, the energetic athletes, assisted by the mentors Ms. Sheila and Ms. Sangeeta. Next we have on track the knowledge blasters of one Lichi with Ashwik Kishore, young budding athlete, and Aditi, active track player of the class, walking, escorted by Ms. Hema and Ms. Vijay Lakshmi. We have the wisdom warriors of grade 1 Cherry with the sports lanterns of class, Samrita, booming athlete, and Nikit, energetic sprinter, marching forward guarded by the mentors Ms. Lalita and Ms. Rizwana. Next we have on track the ingenious insiders of One Berry with the sports superstars of the class, Chris Sancho, vibrant sportsman, and Ananya, the budding athlete, walking forward steered by the mentors Ms. Vimala and Ms. Ishwari. It's a beautiful portrayal of discipline, unity, harmony and grit. Here we have the rock stars of grade 2, luminary scholars of 2 Kiwi, led by the sports champions Shanamika and Muhammad Yaqub, guarded by the mentors Ms. Meghala and Ms. Lakshmi Prabha. We have the cognizance knights of 2 Lichi walking forward on the track, led by the sports stars of the class Tanish and Vedashri, the unique athletes. They directed by the mentors Miss Steffi and Miss Kabila. Next we have on track the Illuminator Intelligentsia of Stu Cherry, led by the little sports champions Mitra and Ranadhiran, young sportsman accompanied by the mentors Miss Nagashri and Miss Thangarasi. And here we on track the Acumen Avengers of Grade 2 Berry, escorted by the sports dynamites of the class Eli Ladhavan and dedicated athlete Dhanyashri, assisted by the mentors Miss Priscilla and Miss Nagalakshmi. Finally, we have our Grade 3 warriors marching with an exhilarating spectacle of discipline and unity. First, we have Grade 3 students led by the sports champions Kavin and Samyukta, escorted by the mentor Miss Evangeline. Next on track, we had Grade 3 Lichi warriors Jivanandam and Lakshamira, piloted by the mentor Miss Janani. Here we have next Grade 3 Cherry, taken forward by the sports stars Lingesh Selvam and Ritika Om Prakash, accompanied by the mentor Miss Indra Priyadarshini. Next on track, we have the Grade 3 Berry students, guarded by the sports superstars Afsal and Amira, assisted by the class mentor Miss Pandi Selvi and Miss Bhuvaneshwari. Let's give a huge round of applause for our marchers who made this morning so energetic and lively. We thank each team member who contributed to creating such an awe-inspiring spectacle. It's the collective effort of these individuals that has set a brilliant tone for the rest of the day. Sports eliminates team spirit. Inculcated in students, this noble habit builds their strength 10 on 10. The 5th annual sports meet will now officially begin with the release of a number of helium balloons. Beyond the obvious health and activity benefits, sports can teach us much about life. It teaches us about teamwork and team spirit. It teaches us to work together to achieve a common goal. It also about trust and responsibility and about dealing with success and failures. Now we kindly request our esteemed chief guest for the day, releasing the balloons and to inaugurate our theme for the year, D-Aura. D-Aura! The goal in sportsmanship is not simply to win, but to pursue victory with honor by giving one's best effort. Ethics in sports requires 4 keys: virtues, fairness, integrity, responsibility, and respect. All the best, my dear children, for a successful journey in the path of sports.